I'm videoing, right, come on lads.
Let's go.
Oh dear, don't drop it. Yeah, it's a bit wet.
Oh, it's nice though. It's actually quite warm.
It actually is. Don't splash as well, or else. Yeah, we're just paddling now. Yeah, it's coming up slightly higher than I thought now.
That's just the thing of how deep we're in.
That's how deep it is.
Look at this over here, man.
Can't believe we're doing this. Cannot believe we are doing this. Look, traffic cone, yeah? Oh, it's all muddy. Yeah, it's quite deep now. Can't even see the cone.
My dears, we're gonna walk.
There.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's one heavy cone. Somebody's probably going to drive into that. It's quite warm, is this? No, it's not. It's cold. Feel it.
Is it cold? What, my legs are warm in it.
Oh my god.
That's just an estimate of how deep we are.
Yeah, I'm up to my shorts. Oh my god, it's deep round here. Come down here. Oh my days. Crap.
Oh,
Sugar. Yeah, there's a brick there, look. No, it's not a brick. It's not a brick. It's another traffic cone, look. Is it the same one? They all look the same. Oh, hellfire, yeah, that's heavy. The wheelbarrow.